Hey guys, Barkat here, and in today's video I will be covering how you can add negative keywords in your Performance Max campaign, PMax campaign. And as a Google Ad experts, I know that this is the most crucial part when it comes to the negative keyword. So if you don't know how to exclude negative keyword list on the account level or maybe on the campaign level in PMax campaign, this video is for you. And stay with this video, I will show you everything what you need to know about the negative keyword list or exclusions in PMax campaign. So we have two options: add negative keyword in the PMax campaign. First is account level. If you add any negative keyword in the account level, it will apply automatically on all campaigns in your accounts, under your accounts. Let's say if you are running any search campaign or if you're running any PMax campaign, whatever. So once you add negative keyword in the account level, it will apply automatically all types of campaigns in your under your account. So let me show you how you can add negative keyword in the account level. So click on the overview and then click on the admin, and under admin you can see account setting, and if you just scroll down here a little bit and see negative keyword, and this is the account wide negative keyword. Just hit on the plus button here and you just need to add all of your branded, or maybe if you want to exclude any types of keywords on the account level, which will apply automatically on all types of campaigns under your account. So it will apply, let's say mix campaign, video campaign, shopping campaign, or whatever the campaign type is. So this is the only one way you can exclude negative keyword in the PMax campaign. But we have another options in our hand to add negative keyword list specifically for the PMax campaign. So if you don't know, Google introduced a new things, it's called Performance Max campaign modification request form. So what you need to do, so I will link this URL below so that you can have a look on this. So what it does actually, once you fill out all of the forms, that means you are saying to Google that exclude all of the keyword from my campaign level. Once you select this one, like contract form or maybe request form, you can say, so just your name and your company name, then what types of access do we have, it's admin or standard account, Google ad account ID, like from which account you are running this Google ad, the PMax campaign. That's why you need to mention this here, and under these you can see types of changes requested. So I will just click on this keyword exclusions, adding negative keyword, and I just click on the account level, and here I just select for terms these are not branded suitable. So if this is the branded traffic or branded keywords you want to exclude, you can do on the account level, but it's not the branded one. Like just click on this one and I just hit no and select this negative keyword, and here you can find a PMax template request. So if I just click on this and if I just show you what types of template it is, so this is the template you can get from here once you select this, and in this template you can find lots of things actually. Like this is the instruction, you need to read all of the instructions, and here's the campaign level. So if you just like copy and paste all of the keywords from here, so it will automatically add on the campaign level, so don't worry. And here is the account level, and here's the placement exclusions. You need to go through this list if you want to really exclude negative keyword in the campaign level, specifically any PMax campaign. Then once you are done with the template, just upload this template one more time and just checking all of these things, just hit submit, and I think in couple of days Google will exclude. So I hope that you like this video, and if you like this video, please press the like button of this video and subscribe this channel, this kind of tips and tricks in near futures. And if you want to learn about Google Ads, I do have a course in this channel. I showed you how you can run Google Ad for a service, local service based business. So if you want to really learn Google Ad, you can watch my course. I will link the course playlist in my video description so that you can have a look. And if you have any questions regarding these, or maybe any types of questions regarding the Google Ads and anything, you can reach out to me. You can find all of these contact details in this video description. So for now I am out, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.